Alright, this is a video for a screen replacement on an HP ProBook 640 G3. This screen was ordered through laptopscreen.com. Here's a picture of the new laptop screen that we had come in the mail. Voila. Looks pretty simple. From what I can tell, you just need a couple tools. I'm using an X-Acto knife and a small Phillips head screwdriver. The first step is going to take your X-Acto knife and get behind the screen here. You'll hear it start to pop out, and then basically you just remove this portion of the screen and you'll hear it popping. There it goes. All right. As you're removing this, there's some adhesive. Just pull it off gently and you'll see the screen is now exposed. The next step is going to be to remove these 4 screws in the corner. So you have 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to go ahead and remove those 4 tiny screws, and we'll be back with you in a minute. Okay, and we're back. As you can see, the 4 screws have been removed, and from here it's a very simple process. You just gently pull the screen out, and you will see in the back is your connector. You go ahead and unplug that connector. In order to get the connector off, you just want to use your X-Acto knife or whatever to slightly peel up this tape, and then very carefully pull back on the tape, and you'll feel it come loose. There you go. Now we're ready to plug in the new screen and reinstall. Okay, the connector has been connected to the new screen. Simply reverse the steps by putting the screen back into position, installing the 4 screws that you've set to the side, and reinstalling that piece of plastic, and you're done.